Guys, look at this. Oh my God, look at that pepper. If you haven't tried this, you don't know what you're missing. It's really easy to make. It's just simple ingredients, just like everything else, guys. Oh my God. Ooh. What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Omar, and this is Huevos Sabor. As you can see, today is Thursday, and we're making breakfast. What we're gonna be making today is gonna blow your mind. We're gonna be making eggs with chorizo. Now, this is something really tasty. When I was a kid growing up, my mama used to make this all the time, and it was really good. We enjoyed it as kids, and I want to share this with you. Hopefully you get to make it, and you might like it. Now, for this, we have chorizo, ham, and we got lots of bacon. We're not going to use everything, but we got lots of bacon. And this is the bacon I like to use, as you can see. I'm pretty sure I showed it to you before. I love this bacon. It's really good. And this is what I like to use. For this, we got these two jalapeños. We're gonna use them for our jalapeno poppers, okay? And then these two right here, we wanna put them on our chorizo and all that. So is this tomato, and we're gonna use some onions too. And then we're gonna use 3 eggs. Ooh, look at that. As you can see, the beans are already cooking. We're gonna start with our onion, just like this. And then just real fine little pieces like this. Just like that. I want to put some of this chorizo. This, like I said, this chorizo, we got it from the Mexican store. That's where we get it. That's where we get it from. Really good. So I'm gonna use about half of this. About half of that. And I don't like to leave the skin. I just cut it off, get rid of it. You don't have to. You can do whatever. That's our serrano, and then we use 1 jalapeno, and this is how I like to do it. That's about all I need. This is just gonna be for me. This is just gonna be for me, nothing else. So what we want to do, we're gonna add a few pieces of bacon. And this, I'm just gonna cut it like this. This is how I like to cut it. This is Virginia ham, just so you know. I like the taste of it. A little smoky flavor. Really good ham. Then we let everything incorporate with each other. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, and it smells amazing too. All those flavors incorporating with each other, it smells amazing. Sangria, I don't know if you like sangrias or not, but this drink right here is on another level. If you have tried it, post it on the comments and let me know what you think of it. I really like it. It tastes really good. I like it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It smells amazing, guys. It smells really good right now. Oh my goodness, that is a really good soda. And this is just a soda pop. Try it. You can find it at Walmart, or you can find it at any Mexican store. All right, one other thing we're gonna do is this right here. You know what this is? Oh yeah, it's not just for potatoes. we're gonna use it for this. This time we're gonna use it for this. See, most people like to put it on the blender and blend it all together, and I kind of like doing it like this. It gets a little chunky, and I like that. Oh my goodness, look at this. These beans are coming out really, really nice. I know what some people's gonna say, those are not refried beans because it doesn't have the grease and the bacon and all this. Hang on, wait a second. There's multiple ways to make refried beans, okay? Many ways. I understand why some people will put it on the blender. It's quite a bit of work trying to get all this done like this. And when you do it like for a restaurant, for a business, you definitely want to do it on the blender. But that's the reason why you get the restaurant flavor. You get what I'm saying? Not the homemade flavor. This right here, this is the pure homemade flavor. And these guys, we're done with this. Now we're just gonna help it by adding some of the ingredients on this. See this right here? This is a little bit of bacon grease, that's all it is. We're gonna add this to that. And then, remember, we're gonna cut one of this. And then we add this tomatoes to that. And now we're gonna add 3 eggs. One, 2, and 3. We mix it up, all of it. We mix it up like this. Get it all nice and mixed. I can smell the serrano in there. I can smell it. Then we sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on our beans. Look at this. I like mozzarella. Most people will put like a fresh queso, like queso fresco or something like that, or feta cheese. You know, one of the things that we haven't talked about is that, just so you know, just to keep you informed, this channel, within 2 weeks of uploading my first video on this channel, within 2 weeks, this video was monetized. Just so you know. So now we're going, what, for 4 weeks or something like that? Now, the thing is, this video's been monetized, yes, but it's not generating like tons of revenue or anything like that. No, it's not doing that. I'm gonna tell you a secret that nobody else does, okay? The only way that you're gonna be making a really, really good money in YouTube is when you have a good audience. I must say maybe 100,000 plus subscribers, okay? You get at least 100,000 views on every video. 200 videos already uploaded onto your channel. If you have 200 videos, see, that's the thing that most people don't know and don't understand, is that making money on YouTube is not about one video. No, it's about combination of many videos. YouTube pay per 1,000 views. That's that's how they pay, and they can pay maybe $2, $1, $3 on 1,000 views. But when you got 200 plus videos and you combine all those views from all those videos, maybe, you know, out of 200 videos, maybe people's been watching 20, 30 videos at the time. So daily you get maybe 200K views daily. So that's when people's making a really, really good money. For small channels like us, we don't make any money, guys. Everything you see in here, we have to finance it ourselves. But I can tell you one thing, having that little bit of revenue anyway, just to put back into this channel, it's kind of nice. It's kind of nice to have it. Even if you make 50 bucks, 100 bucks. Oh, that's another one. They can only give you money when you collect 100 bucks. When you have 100 bucks on revenue, that's when they send you those $100. If you have less than that, they won't send you anything. So yeah, this channel, it's not making any money, guys. And if it does, it's very, very little, maybe $13, maybe 14 bucks. It's nothing. But even $13, $14 is kind of nice to have in there, you know? It feels good that at least something that you're making is making some progress. Thank you so much for helping me to get to the 4,000 hours. Thank you so much for helping me to get to the 1,000 subscribers when I did. Thank you so much, guys. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. We're gonna open this up like this. Just like that. I like to open them like this. And we're gonna fill it up with cream cheese. Now, this is the cream cheese that I'm using, Philadelphia. I think pretty much everybody uses this cheese, I guess. I don't know. I like it. I use this one. And we're gonna make 2 of them. Look at this. It opens up like this. Most people will get that out. Most people will get all the seeds out of this paper. I'm not gonna do that, and I'm not gonna do that just because I want it to be really, really spicy. Inside this pepper like this. Okay, look at this. Just like that. We do the same thing to the other one. I don't know if any of you have made this before and how you make them, I don't know. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap them up. I wanna wrap them up with bacon. Just like that. I like to put a toothpick in there. And that's just to keep this from falling apart. And that's pretty much it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put it on a frying pan. Guys, I remember back in the day getting up early in the morning and just going to work in the farm. Early in the morning. It was 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, and this right here, it was almost a daily breakfast right here. And we enjoyed it. The smell of it right now. Also, if I'm too busy and I don't want to make tortillas, look at this. These tortillas right here, I find them at Costco. Okay, I like to go to Costco for pretty much everything. I'm sure you already know that. But these tortillas right here, you can find them in Costco, and they're uncooked. Okay, you have to cook them. They're not done. They're not completely done, and that's what makes them really, really good. This is like fresh made tortillas. Look at that. Look at that. That's like fresh made tortilla, guys. You gotta try them sometime. Look at this. Look at this. Tortillas that they sell you at the store in Walmart that they already cooked and everything, they're already made ready for you to eat. They're not that good, man. This right here. If you don't want to make tortillas, get you a package of this. I think that Walmart sells those too. You might want to look for those. But these tortillas right here, like for burritos and stuff like that, they're perfect. And then, just like any other Mexican house, you gotta have the press. Look at that. Look at that. Then you get a fresh made tortilla. Good. If you guys ain't got one of this, guys, I invite you to get one. You can find this at Walmart just to make quesadillas really, really fast. And pretty much all you gotta do is just plug it in and you're done. Watch this. Open it up, push your tortilla in there like this. Put a little bit of cheese. We use some of the same stuff that we just cooked. Look at that. Now the only thing you gotta be careful with is don't put too much of it, because otherwise it's gonna fall off the sides and you'll be making a mess. Now we put our other tortilla in there like this. We close it and then we wait. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Look at this. And this is the result of a quesadilla. And that quesadilla thing, it won't take much. Couple minutes. Look at this. Guys. Guys, look at this. Oh my God, look at that pepper. Whoa, look at this. We got some beans, refried beans, and then this is our dish. This is our main dish. This is all it is 3 eggs, chorizo, ham, and onions, peppers, and a bunch of love. That's all it is, guys. And it should be really, really good. Look at that. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh my God, baby. So good. Oh my God, all these flavors. Guys, if you haven't tried this, you don't know what you're missing. You have to try it. It's really easy to make. It's just simple ingredients, just like everything else, guys. Simple ingredients. Look at that pepper. Oh my goodness. Look at this. One thing I want to do first is get this out. You don't want to leave it in there. You'll be having a bad day. Look at this pepper. Oh, wow. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. This is, oh my God, this is excellent. Oh my God. This turned out really, really good, guys. I'm telling you, if you want it to be hot, don't take out all the seeds. Leave them in there. If you don't want them to be hot, get them out. Because it's hot. Let's go for the quesadilla. Look at this. Look at this quesadilla. This is like, kids will love this because it looks like a piece of pizza. Okay. Oh my God, the cheese, the flavor of everything. Oh my God. This is really, really good, guys. This is the best way to make quesadillas. It really is. But yes, thank you so much for everything you guys are doing for me. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, share it with your friends, do whatever you want to do with these videos. This is just for you. Thank you so much. This is all I got for you today. I love you, and I see you on the next one.